Today, we are at the Augusto Crown Golf. Every time you come to a golf course and you always don't know the distance to a hazard, Garmin Approach S62 Hazard View feature will help you to know the distance between you and the hazards. This video will show you how to use the Hazard View feature of Garmin Approach S62. It will allow you to check the distance to the hazard quickly. We are in front of the green now. There is a bunker in front of the green. By using the Garmin Approach S62 Hazard View feature, you can know the distance between you and the bunker, the size of the bunker, and the distance to the front and back of the hazard. Tap the map of the course map page. Then, you will see the Hazard View page. By tapping the arrow in the bottom, you can quickly preview all the distances of the hazards in the course, like a bunker, water, etc. You can see the distance and size clearly. Tap the map again and you will enter the full course map view mode. Tap any position of the map, and you will find out the distance to the target circle. Then, you can plan the next position where you want the ball to drop. By the Hazard View feature, we can see the front edge distance of the bunker in front of me is 58 yards and the back edge distance is 64 yards. We can see another bunker on the left side. The distance to the front edge of the bunker is 78 yards and the back edge is 99 yards. The distance to the green is 76 yards to the front edge of the green and 84 yards to the center. Here we can see the watch recommends using the putter, and our goal is to place the ball to the green with one shot. That's the Hazard View tutorial. Thanks for watching.